Talking about tax and duties, all right? And for tax and duties, what is this? Again, you could simply just read through areas where your customers will pay tax and where you will collect and remit. Create a shipping zone to add a new tax region. If you're unsure about your tax liability, check with a tax professional. So I decided to read this so that you know that whatever advice I'm giving you here is not a financial advice. Please get somebody who's a professional to do that. However, these are the zones where they're collecting the basic tax, these zones. So usually we don't have a problem with this, right? So set up duty paid, delivery duty paid shipping labels are only available when you ship from some of your fulfillment locations, country of origin, and all of this. So what you just need to do, in my opinion, or is what I did is, you see, mine is active. Okay, usually it's going to be active, so there's really nothing for you to do when it comes to tax, right? But then, if you want to find out more, so open shipping zones, you click on that, and you see get a little bit more information on some of the things you need to do when it comes to taxation. So you come here, we've covered this before, that shows your route and all those things. So you must have done this before getting to this point. If you've not seen the video where I talked about shipping delivery, then please go back and watch that video before watching this one. However, in my experience, just leave this the way it is, right? And then Shopify does its thing, especially when you're selling internationally, selling in Europe. Don't break your head too much about it. Now let's look at locations. In this video, we're talking about tax and location. We're done with tax, now we're on location. Now with location, this is what we need to do, point of sale subscriptions. I beg your pardon. Start selling in person from any location with in-person selling features. So point of sale is already installed. I have this installed. Third-party fulfillment locations, I have that here. I decided to name this as a delivery third-party fulfillment. So you could do that for yourself. You click on custom. It's going to show you all of this we've done already in shipping, right? So let's go back. Now we're done with location. That's also all it is. Location, nothing else, right? You can add location if you want to, but then again, I don't want to be too long. Now we click on apps and sales channels. Now, so what this does is, these are some of the apps that Shopify has. You can simply click on Shopify App Store, or you can install. These are the installed ones. We have Shop, Online Store, Inbox, Forums, Buy buttons, dropshipping, email, point of sale. You could explore more of their apps. Like I said, I'll be making a video on apps, on how you can use Shopify apps later in the future. These are some of the apps that they have, right? And you can just explore them and see what they do. Some of them are free, some are not free, some are trials, while some are not. So just to show you what that is. So let's come back here. That's for apps and sales channel. Now for domains. For domains, you click on domain. You simply where you just connect a domain you have before. So you can click on buy new domain or connect an existing domain. If you click on buy new domain, it's going to bring you here and it's going to ask you to put in domain you want. And this is our domain already, which is main glass arena. Wait for it to do this thing to search if this is free. I mean, if this is something I can purchase. It's available, and it's available for $16 per year. Simply just click on buy now, right? And then when it brings me here, I just put on buy domain, put in my card details. My card is already there. Click on buy now. If I have enough money in my credit card, then I'm good to go. There's the B, $16 per month. Not a bad thing. But then again, before you're purchasing this, please understand that this is yearly. However, your subscription, your Shopify subscription is not yearly. It's monthly. I mean, you can do it yearly, but it's monthly. So before you go ahead to pay for this, please make sure that you are sure that you have the funds to keep your Shopify store available for at least next 6 months. Because before you start making sales, you need at least, in my opinion, depending on what you're selling and how aggressive. If you're a beginner, you need at least 6 months to get grounded. But if you're a pro, I mean, you can hit the ground in less than 3 months. So make sure you already have enough funds to be able to facilitate, to make this $16 useful. If not, you already have a domain, but you don't have a store. That's counterproductive, right? Okay, so please make sure that you don't forget to do that. And there are other names here, but let's just go back. That's for domain, that's for buying. But you could connect an existing domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy or whatever platform you're using. Not all platforms are agreeable with Shopify, but Namecheap and GoDaddy and they're kind of the like most popular hosting platforms out there. So I think just connect it. It's going to ask you to connect existing domain. Click on it. It's going to ask you to put in the name of the domain. Click next. Then it's going to ask you to log into Namecheap and then do some things with your DNS record. That's very technical. I don't want to go there. Just understand that you can connect your domain here. Now, customer events. Now, this customer event is just enables third-party services to collect and use data from your store, right? Like Pixel, like Facebook Pixel. You can add a custom pixel. You can exploit Pixel apps. I usually prefer the apps. The apps make it easier, right? So you could install any of these apps here. The one I think I've used, I'm currently using is I'm using this ones, Attribuli and Billy. You can use any of those ones, all right, or you can do the custom pixel. But I'm not going to go straight into this because I believe that if you are watching this video, you are new to this. So we'll be doing pixel or customer event on another day, right? On another video, we're covering just that. For now, just understand what it is. Customer event, meaning the events that you would set in place that when triggered will show as an event. If somebody comes to your website and maybe click on this button, all right, because you set up the event, you know this is an event, maybe event one. Person clicks on here, this is event two. This event one can be add to cart. This event two can be purchase, something like that. More or less like Facebook pixels, right? So that's how much we'll cover in this video. We'll cover the next other tabs, what they do in the next video. But if you're finding it difficult to get started with Shopify because it's a whole ecosystem, let me know in the comment section and we can schedule a one-on-one where I either teach you how to do it or I help you do it, help you set it up. So all you just need to do is focus on selling because that's what we want you to do. We want to start selling almost immediately. So either you're opting for a one-on-one or you're opting for a done for you. The idea is that you must start making a lot of money, at least money enough to take care of your bills. No more asking people for help, no more begging people, no more borrowing. Have something in place that gives you money every single day. This is Cash by Tutors, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know by subscribing to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell button. Share the video with anybody who thinks this might help. Also, let us know in the comment section your thoughts or your questions, and feel free to ask for help in the form of a done for you. We're here for you to help you get started. And watch the next video and see how you can sell everywhere very easily from the comfort of your home. Thank you and see you in the next one.